In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a parking pass to SpotHero. This process is straightforward because a parking pass is created automatically when you book a reservation through SpotHero. Understanding this will help ensure you always have your pass ready when you need it. So, let's get started. First, open the SpotHero app on your device. You will see an inviting interface featuring a search bar and various options to help you find parking easily. This app is user-friendly and designed to streamline your parking experience. It's important to ensure you have the latest version of the app installed for optimal performance. If your app is updated, it will run smoothly without any glitches, making your parking search much more efficient. Next, sign into your SpotHero account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's a convenient option to reset it right there. Signing in gives you access to all your past bookings and preferences, which can save you time later. Once you've input your credentials, tap the Sign In button, and you will be taken to your account dashboard. Now search for a parking location. Use the search bar to enter your destination or browse the map. If you're going to a popular venue or event, the app will often suggest nearby parking options. This is crucial as it helps you find the best available spots based on convenience and price. Once you find a location that suits your needs, you can proceed to the next step. Once you've located the ideal parking area, select your arrival and departure date and time. This step is vital because it determines the availability of parking spots. The app will display options based on your specified time frame. Choosing the correct dates and times ensures that you secure a spot when you need it most. After setting the dates, continue to the next part of the booking process. Next, choose a parking spot and complete your reservation. The app presents various options, often with photos and details about each spot. After you select a parking spot, you'll be prompted to confirm your reservation and enter payment information if necessary. Completing this step is essential as it locks in your parking spot and guarantees you won't have any last-minute issues. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. After your booking is confirmed, tap on Trips or Reservations to view your parking details. This section of the app is where you can manage all your bookings. It's reassuring to know that you can easily access your reservation information at any time. This is especially helpful if you're in a rush and need to check your parking details quickly before heading out. Select your reservation from the list displayed. This will bring up all the specifics regarding your parking pass. It's important to double-check these details to ensure everything is correct. You'll see the parking location, times, and any additional information that may be relevant. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you have all necessary information before you arrive. Finally, your parking pass will appear automatically and is ready to use. You can also access it from the confirmation email sent by SpotHero. This is convenient because it allows for quick access to your pass if you are not near your app. Having your parking pass handy is crucial for a smooth entry to your parking space. With everything set, you are well prepared for a hassle-free parking experience.